I'm David Rios Garcia and I'm from Paraguay. Obviously, you can see this is Paraguay. And I want to talk to you about the problems we have in Paraguay. Of course, the sun is a big problem. Then we have crazy girls. You can look at them. Yeah, they're fresh. They are all crazy girls.
Not.
Yes. Well, as I was saying, bring the camera here. It's very important to tackle the issues of global warming. For example, it's really hot right now here, and I know what they're gonna do. They're sexy. Yes. So, but by tackling those problems, we can assure that in Colombia, we're going to change. We're going to change. And I want to come back to Colombia. Well, this is Paraguay actually. I don't know. This is my pitch. Oh, sorry. Well, I want to say that I like Edwin very much. I like that crazy girl, that Loquilla. And I appreciate that you heard my nonsense speech, which is very nice. And that's 2 minutes, right?